Welcome to Cameroon. Cameroon. That was a tough one. Good morning, everyone. Today it's time to go to the west of Cameroon to see a waterfall, which was in a Tarzan movie. Today I'm gonna be modern day Tarzan and see this amazing waterfall. It's a long drive. We'll try to go there and see how it looks. It looks really stunning from the videos. Let's hit it off. We'll see if I can go. It's a long way and there's a lot of hassle on the way, I think, but we'll give it a go. Thank you. Now I look too cool for school. My new sunglasses, really stylish. Let's go.
Sit down before the police catch you. Wow.
Police cannot catch my friend Abby.
We will protect her.
You have passport, Abby?
When I'm here.
Did you bring your passport? Oh, Zoe.
It seems like chicken and fish.
Same taste?
Yeah, but the sweeter. Yeah, the meat is
Better.
very nice.
So frog is good in Vietnam?
Yes, very good.
Very nice. It's frog, we eat snake. Some village they eat rat, but not the one like in Vietnam. They eat everything. Dancer.
He can dance. I know he can
cannot
dance.
dance. All African, all Cameroonian can dance well.
Every African can dance.
Yeah,
You have the rhythm.
Even
But
Gaston
not
say
us
that I
and-
can dance.
No, not you.
But you can drive at least.
Yeah, he drives.
You
so-
cannot do everything, yeah?
He's the best driver, but the worst dancer. You see African, everyone, they dance like so sexy, so free. But Asen, he dance like a tree.
You know how to dance?
Yes.
Yes.
All the girls.
And you know how to dance?
Not too much, only small.
Small.
I will show you how Vietnamese dance.
Only one hand.
Only on top. Always
No
on
legs, only arm. Everybody can dance except one person.
Top. Except Asen.
No. If I go to Vietnam, I will be the best.
That's true. We can make a dance competition when we start.
Yeah. When I came to Cameroon, I've tried with many drivers, but they are not good at all. Until
the best driver?
Asen was the best driver that I
The best to
found.
dance in Vietnam.
The worst dancer. When I first met him,
Yeah?
he didn't speak English at all.
Okay.
But now he's
fluent.
Yeah, he is my translator.
So today we're doing a road trip here. 2 persons from Cameroon, 2 from Vietnam, and me from Denmark, very international.
And one girl
And 1 girl,
born in Cameroon.
born in Cameroon.
She's 3 years old but still get breastfeeding.
She is thinking big thoughts right now.
And he drive truck to Congo every day.
He has a lot of
At
experience.
2007.
They're saying that the cars in Cameroon, every part of the car makes sound except the horn. Like the one that's supposed to make noise doesn't work.
But as long as you get from A to B, then no problem. And some cables hanging down.
In Cameroon, the taxi is very different.
Yeah.
The taxi here is more like a bus, like a pickup service. So they will pick up everyone on the road.
There are a lot of controls on the way.
Yeah,
But if you can, you just drive.
yeah, they're not important.
Maybe when I record, he will show that he's a great dancer.
Yes, of course.
He can perform under pressure.
I wish, yeah, I wish you the best luck.
You know how to shake bomba.
Yeah. Oh, super sexy.
So this is Cameroon Viagra
Yeah.
At the Viagra, you should take it with the Guinness. Yeah.
to get the full effect. But now with the waterfalls, I will walk around with something in my shorts.
Yeah. To cover.
Big problem. Peter Cola, it's time for some natural Viagra. It's starting. One is enough.
Already.
It's starting already.
Falling.
Oh no. Oh, the taste is actually really
Bitter,
bad.
right?
Very bitter.
Yeah. Only will be in danger.
You need to be careful now. And the last one for my driver. Maybe he danced better with this one.
I said he did.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Swallow it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is how you eat it.
Yeah.
I just ate all of it.
Where are you going?
Going to Waterfall.
Yeah!
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
You take it.
Oh.
Ah, okay.
It's magic.
It's
magic.
Yes.
True. So right now they're just wasting our time here. So annoying. We were just stopped here and we had all the documents, but still they wanted to waste a bit of our time.
They just want the like they will fight anything.
Yeah.
So they ask for the medical box.
Yeah. What's your lion name? I'm lion. You're chicken.
I'm lion.
You're lion.
I'm scared.
Did you fly up to mommy? Oh, I didn't know you could fly. You are flying lion?
Yeah.
That's cool. I only have 4 fingers.
Can I have more fingers?
Oh no!
Stop scary.
I'm scared.
You can sing and you can dance.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Very nice.
I'm strong.
Are you strong? You like papaya?
Strong.
Very good, yeah?
No, I don't love papaya.
Papaya, papaya, papaya.
Give me this one.
Okay, give to mama.
Okay. Just for you.
Okay, thanks.
This is African size.
Oh.
I touch it.
We're Poland, Vietnamese size.
I touch it.
Oh my god. See?
Là, c'est.
Beautiful,
Les
huh?
Vietnamiens, c'est petit comme ça.
Papaya is always good. You don't like papaya? Bien menu? Non?
Et Concam. Village Melon de
Oui.
voir les chutes des Concam. Big waterfall.
Okay. This is the landscape in the west of Cameroon that we are driving around right now. The road is obviously not the best. It's been like this for the last long time. But we are going this way to see a beautiful waterfall. The rain is coming and going. Hopefully it will be sun when we are there, so I can be a real Tarzan. Hello! Do you see any birds?
Yes.
Do you see any lions?
No.
They must be good at driving because here it's very bumpy.
Attendez. Oui.
Okay.
Mettez ici.
On the head? It's very heavy, man. I think I better carry it on the chest. Here we go, man. Off to the waterfall.
Okay, are you gonna get married here?
I think so.
Okay.
I'm looking for a wife.
He's looking for a wife.
Embrassez,
Célibataire means single. Are you single?
I'm single there. Let me do it on the head, yeah? Got it! 1, 2, 3. Cameroon.
Oui.
My nose is red because it was very heavy. I was carrying too much for me. See my nose now after that little incident, which means the lady is very strong. She's a monster. Where are we now?
We are in Kamkap.
Kamkat?
Yes. Waterfall.
Waterfall, yes.
Yeah.
Long drive, 4 hours drive.
I drove slowly. Why you laugh?
Very slowly, yeah.
Can I see?
Yes, you can.
This black Tarzan, yellow Tarzan, and white Tarzan there.
With red nose. That's a lizard.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Lizard. Alright, so we are ready to go for some lunch.
Yeah.
Are you ready also for some lunch?
Yeah, I will help to lunch.
Yeah, you're hungry?
Yes.
Good.
We have food there.
We have to lunch.
Lunchtime. Cacao up there. This is such a natural place here in the west of Cameroon. I think I can hear a waterfall down here somewhere.
The native of the village.
He's the master of the village.
Yeah, the master of the village.
Okay. With the master of the village, he knows all the places and we have a special permission to go here. Moving into the deep jungle and let's see what's hiding behind here. Whoa. Careful. We are flying. Whoa. Way. It's very rare that you can go to a place like this without any other tourists at all. Kind of bizarre because it's so beautiful, and the only reason that there isn't any other people is because we are in the west of Cameroon. It's kind of tricky to get here. It was a long drive. That's the reason why we are the only people here. Because if we go for the beauty of it, it's outstanding. One of the best places.
Hello, everyone.
Rain dance!
I'm 3 years old and I'm come from.
Magnifique. Jungle girl. Way.
Oh, yes, I'm natural.
Rain in the sun in Cameroon. Some good Vietnamese food in the Cameroonian jungle.
Mom,
I have your nose. Do you want it back?
Oh, there's no internet here.
This is paradise.
Baby waterfall!
It's called Waterfall.
Oh, I'm super wet now. I just brought my passport and everything is also really wet. Unbelievable scenery. It's so worth it.
This place for the movie The Legend of Tarzan.
Now you understand why they chose this waterfall for Tarzan.